Welcome to the Margaret Birch Outdoor Therapy Garden here at Mary Free Bed. I'm Alicia Haas, the Adaptive Horticulture Lead and an inpatient recreation therapist. Our therapeutic garden is flourishing with opportunities. This extension of our treatment space serves individuals with a variety of diagnoses. The message? Bloom where you are planted by taking advantage of present situations through discovery, creativity, and education, enhancing the healing journey. An adaptive gardening tool promotes independence, which is a big piece of what our patients are looking for when they leave Mary Free Bed. Pruning and cutting flowers in our cut flower garden works on functional goals such as grasp, hand-eye coordination, as well as promoting an emotional benefit of bringing the outside into their room by creating bouquets. The raised herb and vegetable beds allow for easy access from standing or seated to harvest, weed, and water to increase physical strength, endurance, and cognitive recall. If funding was received from the National Garden Bureau, a flourishing live wall would be constructed to create a reflective, healing microclimate.